On June 18, 2024, a routine day at a dealership took an unexpected turn when officers responded to a call of vandalism. What unfolded next was a disturbing sequence of events that led to criminal charges and an ongoing investigation. Stay with us as we break down this complex situation and share the details of what happened that day.
She's walking in between the cars right now. She has a screwdriver.
Was she doing any damage to any cars?
I just walked out. They were yelling with them to my employees.
The lady in the white shirt?
Yeah.
Did she do any damage to any cars?
In the cars, it's like it's matching the cars, and not right now with the screwdriver.
Yeah. Hey, Sheriff's Office, stop. Stop right now.
Officers arrived on the scene after reports of a woman causing damage to vehicles in the parking lot. As they approached, the situation escalated quickly, with the woman resisting arrest and tension building with the officers.
Turn her, put it down now.
Put the other thing down now.
You want to detain her? You want to detain her? Hey, watch out, she's gonna get tased. Get your hand out now. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Ma'am.
Get up. I'm just... I know. Get up.
You're hurting me, bro!
Ma'am.
Get off! Get off! Get off, please! Get off! No! Get off, bro!
We got her detained.
Ma'am.
Get my shoes! Get the off of me! Don't touch me! All because these idiots, bro! They don't want to get in my registration. I've been coming here for 2 months, waiting for this shit for 2 months. They still don't want to get my registration.
Look.
They know what they're doing wrong.
10-4. Have a green and white get here so we can detain her in the car.
Please stay on the ground.
Don't touch me!
Sit down. Sit down.
Ma'am. Stay.
Don't touch me!
Hey.
Let's go.
Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
Stand up.
You're only doing
The woman was seen walking between vehicles, reportedly using a screwdriver to damage the cars. She was confronted by the employees, but things took a turn when she attempted to grab a phone from one of them, escalating the situation.
because there's nobody there that
No, you're going over to our cars.
Get
Now stand
off
up.
of me. Get the off of me, bro. Get off of me, bro.
Stop.
All because these people don't want to give me my shit.
That's not going to work. Because if you try to hurt me, you're going to go to the ground.
Bro, you already did that on. Let them know, bro.
Stand right there.
Oh my god.
I said stand.
I'm trying to put my name in my
I
pocket.
don't care what you're doing. I told you to stand in one spot. Now stand.
All because these people don't want to give me my shit. All these cars are fucking me. This guy's up, bro. You're not gonna try and put that shit on me.
Stop.
That's so bullshit. You didn't have to
Stop.
fucking do that shit. Oh
Stop.
my god, bro.
Stop.
Bro. Fucking touch my neck.
Stand right here and stop yanking away from me.
Me.
Have a seat on the ground.
I'm not sitting nowhere. I'm not sitting.
Have a seat on the ground.
Ow, no, do that shit to me, bro. Get the off of me.
Stop.
Please, can you call for
Stop.
me, please? Please call somebody for me, please. Tell him Yoshi's getting
Stop.
shot before my office.
Don't worry, my camera's on too. No, she's going to jail. Stop. Stop moving around. Come on.
Stop, man. They already put me on the car.
Let's go. Stop jerking away!
At this point, employees had no choice but to call the authorities, fearing that her actions would cause further damage to the vehicles. It was clear that she was attempting to destroy property, and the situation was becoming more dangerous by the minute.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat!
I am sitting down. What else do you want me to do, idiot?
And do you have anything else in your pockets?
My shit.
Just let her cool down.
Bro.
Okay, what vehicles did she hit?
All these two vehicles. She smacked this way. And then she go inside of the
Okay, well you gotta show me damage on any one of these vehicles because I don't see nothing.
yeah, but I don't see I don't say jet damage. She say it's matching the vehicles. And after that she goes right there and get the screwdriver and the police officer coming to get behind and
What screwdriver? Where did it come from?
right there.
So these are y'all's tools?
Yep.
Okay. So she entered your garage,
Yep.
took your tools.
And even go right there. We have that on video. I don't know.
Yeah, I do. I definitely want to see that.
No te importa entonces. Está bien, pero sigue pegándole a los carros, pues. Síguele pegando a los carros. Síguele pegando a los carros. Do it, hit it. Why you didn't do it?
You need to back up from me. Back up from me, bro. Back up from me.
What?
Back up from me.
Hit me.
Back up from
Hit
me.
me.
Back up from me.
I'm doing it right here. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Back out.
Yo, pull up, bro.
Yeah.
They're stealing over here my money and they're...
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's exactly what we will pursue.
Yeah, 'cause she
charges.
burglarized your garage and took and she was going to destroy your property.
Thank you.
That's what you want, correct?
Exactly.
Very good. Let me
Exactly.
just go get the tools before they end up disappearing, and then can you tell me what took place before I arrived? How did we get here?
Okay, I just was outside with the customers, dealing with the customers, showing some cars. When I see the lady is matching and hanging in the cars, like, and on the jeeps, grab from the front of the wheel of the jeeps.
After entering the garage and taking tools, the woman appeared to be preparing to continue her rampage, threatening further destruction. Officers soon arrived, leading to a tense interaction as the woman resisted detainment.
And try to take care of the whole, I don't know how to
The
say it.
hubcap?
Yeah, like trying to do it and just snatching. And in that time, she doesn't have the screwdriver. So when that happened, I go inside to see what is happening.
Mm-hmm.
And I told Eddie we need to call the police because this lady is smashing all the cars. Okay, nothing happened right there. I don't call the police in that exact moment. After that, I go to take this video to record the lady,
Okay.
what she's doing. She tried to grab my phone. She tried to grab the folder I have with his information. After that, I just go inside again because I don't want to be involved with that. And then when I am standing right here in the entrance of the mechanic shop, she go inside, grab a screwdriver, and go around of this station right here. And Eddie and me were speaking to her like, you need to get out, you're trespassing, you need to get out, you're nothing to do right here. And in that moment, I called the police because she was with the screwdriver. I don't know what she wants to do with that.
Okay.
And then I was on the line with the 911 operator, and he said me like, just keep an eye on her, but don't be like close, just behind the window or something like that because we don't know. And then you arrive, and mostly that happened. You take handcuff that lady and pretty much is it.
Okay, what can you tell me about today's incident?
I can say that when, unfortunately, I didn't catch most of what was going on in the beginning of what was going on, but at the end of it, when I walked out, I did see the young lady being belligerent and walking between the cars. At the time, still wasn't in the know what was going on. Just see a young lady walking in between, and then I see her going into cars and grabbing water bottles and stuff like that, splashing the cars, and walks out.
What
And
cars did she go in? She went into a car?
She went in.
Despite being confronted by officers, the woman continued to resist. She repeatedly yelled and tried to break free from the officer's hold, resulting in further struggle and escalating the situation. But the officers were determined to bring her into custody.
To the green Honda Civic that we have up front. She grabbed the water bottle that was in there, I guess, and then just threw it.
That's a car that was for sale?
Yes.
Okay. And there happened to be a water bottle in there. So it wasn't like an employee's car or a customer's car. It was just a car that was for sale. Okay. So continue, sorry.
Yeah, and I mean, other than that, she just continued to walk around, and then by that point, you guys pulled up. So that's where I was at, and I didn't get to see most of it, what happened. But.
So from what your employee just told me, she was physically punching and smashing vehicles. She actually attacked him at one point by trying to grab the phone out of his hand and the folder he was holding. He has a video of that. And she unlawfully entered and remained inside your garage for a period of time to retrieve some of your tools and go out into the parking lot, presumably to continue to attempt to destroy your vehicles. Okay. Which point we got here and she resisted and she was detained. This is something that you do want to press charges for, correct?
Correct.
Okay, very good. And do you have video of the parking lot from the surveillance? Or?
We do have video. It's just we just moved into this location, so I'm not really sure how to access it at the moment. But my other managers, they said they're more than happy to get
work on it.
Yeah, and work on it for you guys. Send it over.
Okay, and he will. You guys can go out in the parking lot and just confirm while we're here that there's no damage or nothing that we haven't seen already. Because apparently she was going all over these vehicles, punching them and kicking them and yanking on them. And
from what they're telling me.
So on and so forth.
I get both of them. I saw most of it, and we'll go around and see which ones.
Okay. Is there anything else you want to add to the statement?
No, not that I could think of.
Okay.
We appreciate the help, man.
No problem. I'll get you case number in a minute.
All right. Thank you so much.
What's her name? Oh, I count 30 seconds first.
We know her name?
No. Honestly, I don't.
All right,
I'm just gonna say, man.
I'll do the talking.
Ready?
Yeah. How are you, ma'am? I'm Sergeant Longheat with the Sheriff's Office. Are you injured? Got any injuries? I can't hear you, sorry.
You guys literally slammed me on the floor.
Okay, I'm currently trying to investigate, see what my deputy did to you. All right.
They hit me in my face on the floor.
Eventually, the woman was detained, but not before causing significant disruption. Her actions led to charges including criminal damage to property, burglary, theft, and resisting arrest. The case is still open, and it remains under investigation.
Scratches on my arm. My arm is burning.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and step out.
7 people for one small ass person.
Okay. I'm gonna take pictures of your injuries, where you said you're scratched at. All right. And then we're gonna transfer you from this car to the other car because this deputy's leaving. Okay, because you're right, I have too many deputies on scene. So I'm going to go ahead and take some out of here. So if you don't mind stepping out, take quick pictures of your injuries, and get you in the other car, okay? You good with that?
Am I going to go to jail or not?
I got to find out. They're still they're still investigating to see if you committed a crime.
I didn't do anything.
Okay.
Have you seen all these cars?
Let me go ahead and step out for me.
Have you seen how these cars look? You're really going to blame me for that piece of shit car, bro?
Okay, stay right there. Stay right there.
Hard. That side of my face hurts, bro.
You want fire rescue over there? Yeah, you got a little scratch on your forehead. Where'd you say your arms are scratched?
My left arm is
Can you
burning.
turn around? All right, I see it there. If you don't move. See if I can get it. Got a little.
Shoulder hurts.
You got any injuries on your other arm? Let me see. Let me check these for proper fit. Go ahead. What hurts?
My shoulder.
Okay.
You want fire rescue come out here?
You want this shit to be over with. I already $100.
Okay.
Just take me down.
Let me just see your wrist real quick. All right. All right, we're going to take you to the other car.
Take me to jail. You're going to take me.
I'm going to find out if they're taking it. I'm not sure if they are. I got to determine what charges they have on you.
Register my car.
Is there anything there anything else on you we need to know about? We don't want anything.
My money, my papers.
Where's that at? Which
My
pocket?
pocket and the other papers, my insurance papers in my fucking pants.
No weapons, drugs, anything like that?
No.
Okay.
Okay, it's actually in your pants. Okay, yeah, it's actually in your pants. Okay.
Pants. In case they want to decide
Okay,
to take my shit.
here we go. Thank you. Yeah, we want to put this with your property. We don't want it to get taken or lost.
Take me to jail so I can fucking get out.
Okay, here's some money. Okay. Is there anything else on you?
No.
Okay.
Well,
All
have
right.
a seat.
Go ahead and take a seat, okay?
Shit,
Do you want to get checked out by fire rescue or no?
just want to go, like, either just take me to jail or whatever you guys are going to do.
All right.
Okay.
This troubling case serves as a reminder of how quickly a seemingly routine situation can escalate into something much more dangerous. The woman's actions, along with the officer's swift response, have left many questions unanswered. As this case moves forward in court, we'll be following the story closely. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on this case and others like it.